Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Not that big a deal, but just to make you aware, you can add a preset to the blend tool. So if we grab these like these two items, you know what, let's spread them out a little further. And we go to this blend tool, we have a preset right here of 8, 10, and I made one called 200. So it made it 200 blends. Now, that could be pretty important if you, or not, it's not that big a deal. But like these two lines, go to there and we'll use the 8, or you could use the 10, or, and then you could have a bunch of presets at, and also this is kind of set them, needs to be in the middle. But anyway, to make a preset, would be able to just, let's back up here. And I really, truly would rather prefer go up to effects and blend and get this one. And let's blend it 500 times. Okay, I've got that one selected. I'm gonna go out here to add a preset, and I'm gonna just type in 500 and then say, oh, save. So now the next time I get, let me just back up to where you have two lines. Select those two lines, and you don't have to open this Docker, so it will save you a little bit of time. Just go to blend, and then go right here to the presets, and there's my 500, and it'll blend 500 times. So if you were doing a lot of a measured amount, and you didn't want to type in 5, like normally, let's draw a 2-point line, make a duplicate of it, and move it over. And then grab both these. I always go T to put them even. And then go blend. And if I wanted to just blend them 500 times, I just have to click that button. So now there's 500 line. Let's kind of prove that theory. Let's break the blend apart. There's probably going to be 502. 3 objects, go up to object, group, and ungroup all, then select it. See, it's 502 because you already had one. It's much like other thing. When you make a copy, it's taking the first two, so it's blending it 500 times between there. So it's not that big a deal, but it would save you a little bit of time to blend stuff. And let's just do one more blend like I like doing. We'll make this one red. We'll make a duplicate and make it yellow. We'll select them both, and both take the outline away. And let's just hit this blend and go right here to preset and just do 10 steps. This is a good way to make new colors. I've shown videos like this before. And then select it and go up to object and break the blend apart. Now, the center ones are still grouped together, so you've got to go to object group and ungroup. But then you have a new gold if you want, and then one a little bit less gold. So you could make a new color. Matter of fact, I'm going to keep this one right here because I kind of like it. All I have to do is take it over here and put it in between and below that other gold. So now I have a lesser gold. Let's say I want this one here, and I want a little bit lesser gold. I have a gold close to that, way down here, so this will save me a lot of time. Like that right there is 255, 204, 0. And my new one is 255, 185. So it's a little different gold that I might start using. But anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.